Welcome to the crypto nest. All right, so let me see today. All right, so let me do some miners today. 4 hours. Where were we with clean sparks? All right, we had this scenario, possible scenario that this is the one, this is the two, and working on a third wave. For the moment, doesn't look that productive. The movement is not impulsive at all, really corrective. So I think I had another, I can see an A and a B here. Let me see that. So we're saying, yeah, diagonal A, B, C, I guess. Was it? Yes, so A, B, and a C for the wave 1. And this is the A, B, and possible C for the wave 2. Now, I can also see I did already the extension. Let me see if they're still relevant. Yes, they are. So this is the match now, the game, the strategy. All right, so I have several levels now because it's a diagonal now. Well, price shouldn't be allowed to go, substantially below $7.21 because this is 0.618. If we do, I will have to invalidate this fourth wave, and this count in light blue, it would be out of the game. Okay, so this is the first scenario that we need to check if price goes below 721. Also, if it goes at that level, then I'm reviving this ABC for the wave 1 in orange, and we're doing another ABC for the wave 2. 1-to-1 ratio is $6.04, so that's between 653 and 604 for me. This is a big level of support. 0.5 fib retracement and 1-to-1 ratio wave A, wave C. So that's a big one. In the case we fall below, we have the 0.618, $4.78. And if there is a catastrophe, well, I'm being a little bit dramatic, but if the price need to, it can go to the $3.06, 0.786. You can notice that here it's, I think this is the DMA 200. No, it's not. Where is the DMA 200? That's weird. So MA 200. Oh yeah, it's here. Okay, so we are way below. Okay, this morning I'm a little bit blind. Okay, so MA 200 here, MA 50 here. Yeah, okay, so we're very far for any MA, so forget about MAs. And we have this trend line. Okay, that's a very long trend line. Do we have more than 2 touching points? Actually, we have 0 touching point. Are you kidding me? See how trend line can be irrelevant, especially if they don't touch each other. Don't know what happened there. Here we go. It's a good thing I double check. But anyway, I don't really rely on trends. I really rely on Fibonacci's and price action. All right, so yeah, this is pretty much for CRSK. Now DMGI. Well, DMGI, to not say big words, it kind of pissed me off. We did an ABC for the wave 1, wave 2, and now honestly, yeah, I was not expecting a B wave that deep. So now, this C wave really need to kick his butt and push much higher to make something reliable. And yeah, once again, this is another example that when we have diagonals, things are a little bit harder to skyrocket, right? Okay, so now I don't want to be a dramatic person all the time. I can see some positive. Okay, so we had this, kind of midterm downtrend since the beginning of December. Is it? Yeah, 4th of December, downtrend. You can see that, is it today or yesterday we started to to break out, and yeah, now today we are trying to push higher, so that's very, very good. So for the moment, I'm not going to call that a 1-2 because it's pretty much invalidated. It started and the pullback went back at the initial start level, so that it's a no for Elliott waves. And yeah, I think now it's too early. Let's price go a little bit, make more history, and then we'll see. And you can see that even if I go on a 15 minutes, don't have much to yeah to analyze, right? Maybe it's I don't know, maybe another diagonal, who knows. Okay, so this is for Dmgi. Hive. Well, I would say Hive and Dmgi, they kind of close their reaction in the charts. Let me do a lovely trend here. Trying to figure out. Yeah, this I like it better. So we have one touching point here, 2, 3, and here several times. And yeah, once again, we are attempting to break out. Actually, for this hour, we are actually breaking out from the MA50. We have, no, sorry, MA200. Here's the MA50. And once again, it's too early. Let's see. It's not the first time he did. No, I mean, it's not the first time. It can happen fake outs. So let's give a benefit of doubts. But for the moment, it's looking good. And I made 200. It looks like he's acting as a support. So that's very, very good. Hot. Is hot really hot? Okay, so yeah, that's a boring joke. Okay, so A, B, C, we hit the 1-to-1 ratio. I did tell you I accumulate a little bit more. Now we're pushing higher. I honestly don't know how to do a trend here because don't have much structure. We just have a quick plunge down. Now the only thing I'm concerned, and this is why I'm not saying a correction wave for it's completed, still, because we still have some room to go here. And if this is the A and this is the B, this could be, I know you don't want to hear it, but anyway, let's say it anyway. This is a 1, this is a 2, and this is this is actually what a third wave does, right? Very impulsive to the up or the downside. And this could be just the 4, and we're going to do the 5 to complete this fourth wave in blue. Now, this is misleading. Let me relabel the degrees. Okay, so let's go and check out what are the levels that we need to check to see if this is potentially a threat for a fourth wave or if we're good to go. We got already invalidated? We didn't. It doesn't look like. Okay, so let's be careful here. Let me readjust now a little bit. Cleaner chart. No, didn't work. All right, so this mini fourth wave is still alive. You can see that, yeah, so 32.71 is the price that I need to kind of start to invalidate this potential fourth wave. Yeah, we can go a little bit higher, but yeah, no, since this is impulsive, not, let me see here. Third wave was crazy. Can I call this an A, a B? No, I can call 1, 2, and this is a 3, a 4, a 5. I would say maybe this is impulsive, but once again, the structure doesn't matter. It's really the level. And worst case scenario, we can add the 0.618. But I would say chances start to increase. Chances start to decrease that we're going to make a fifth wave in blue if we reach higher levels than a 0.5 Fib retracement at 32, 71. Okay, so Mara, it's going down today. Don't know why. Don't know if we have some news. Let's click on the news. Something new? Not really. Top currency. No. Holding, provide investor access to the cryptocurrency market through traditional stock. No, nothing new. I don't know why it's happening. Okay, so here, did we add something? I think, yeah, I was thinking maybe this could be a wave 1, this is a wave 2, and now we should go and have a higher movement, impulsive movement, like we saw with Hive on the downside. Now we should see something like so for Mara, but to the upside. For the moment, we don't have anything, and wave 2 allegedly could be ended here. If I zoom out a little bit, okay, so I'm still debating if I can count this as a wave 1. It's so messy. I could try to figure it out, but honestly, I don't see the point for the moment. 1, 2, once again, let's just stick with the levels. And actually, this also, oh, it's pretty much okay, but so you can see not a bad, but very messy structure. I'm not sure. Even the correction, this could be, once again, a kind of a 1-2. This is a 3. This is because this really look like a 4, and we're going to make a 5 or to make a deeper wave 2. And that's the thing. Maybe the whole big movement, its correction, is not completed, right? So yeah, I really don't like this chart. Really don't like it. Okay, so wave A, wave B, wave C, and this is wave 1. And what I'm I don't want to say concerned, but I want to say I think I'll go more with this A. This is the B, and we're more likely to go and make lower lows for this wave 2 in blue, and possibly reaching, yeah, $10.22. And I have one of my friends that is pretty much all in, or pretty well, in Mara, and I hope I'm wrong, because this is what I see now, and honestly, between $11 and $12, I find that would be a very nice entry, though. So, like it or leave it, but that's what it is. Now, what do I need to know? What do I need to see to be more bullish? Well, I need to start to see this third wave in orange. I need to see something like skyrocketing, something convincing that breaks this downtrend here, something convincing that it's going to break also this very long-term downtrend here, and then yeah, and after maybe you can take a break. I don't know if once again, because this is so messy, I'm counting this as a wave 1, this as a wave 2, and this could be an A, B, C for the wave 3. This is a wave 4. This is a wave 5. So why I'm saying this is because if this is the case, then this has to be a 3-wave also. So this is going to be a kind of a wave, a B wave, and a C wave, and you see that the C wave often overextends. So let's see if we get something like that. But for the moment, if we don't see that, sorry, I don't see it. But for the moment, we are kind of fighting DMA 200. Not actually. You see now, price is really stuck within these levels here, and price is going like so, right? So even though, if you notice or pay attention a little bit, the volatility is getting lower and lower. So maybe this is preparing to do something for a move. No, I don't think it's ready yet, but maybe pretty much soon should do something. Once again, MA 200, MA 50. Let's see how it goes. Let me take out the brush now. Riot. Also, Riot, is not doing much, right? It's which is not bad, because it's breaking out from this, well, trying anyway to. Not very convincing, because you can see that he's used that as a support resistance. He break it. Yeah, it's miners. It's not great, and why is that? Well, let me show you. Ta-da! Because Bitcoin also, it's kind of unsure the path is taking, so that's why. Okay, so Riot, that's good. NDA, okay, NDA. Now I really like it. For the moment, anyway. Now, is it done with this third wave? You can see that I for the moment I don't have any indication of this third wave. It's finished. Yesterday it pushed a little bit higher, didn't break the uptrend line in yellow. Until it doesn't break, this third wave will continue. I have no indication it didn't continue. It stopped, I mean. So now the only thing I can do now is update the level of this fourth wave. So the more the third wave is going to push higher, the more, well, for sure the third wave as well will, the fourth wave level will go higher, right? So yeah, nothing to report on NDA. All right, so this is pretty much all for the miners for today. Let's see at the end of the day how it's going to work out. And hopefully you enjoy the video. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. If you have any comments, drop them down, and I will take my time and try to answer at my best. And on that, have an amazing Friday. Bye!